Hello friends, this is Selena from China. Our factory is in Dongguan City. Today let me show you our 10 tons vertical mixer with heater. This is the electrical control box. You can set the time and the heating temperature according to your needs. There are 8 sets of heating system for this mixer. The whole operation is very convenient, and this customer customized pneumatic butterfly valve discharge outlet. The total heating power is 120 kilowatts. This is the heating tubes inside and high pressure blower. We have different models from 1 ton to 30 tons for your choice. It can use for effectively mixing and drying plastic materials. There are safety guardrails on the top of the machine and also on the ladder, but for better loading container, the safety guardrails are removable. This one, the diameter is 2.25 meters. The total height is 6.9 meters. If you are interested in our machine, welcome to contact me for more information. Thank you. See you next time.